In this video, we're going to show you how to install your anti-rattle spacer here, right behind your tailgate on your Ford Explorer. The process for the driver's side is the same for the passenger side. Using a T50 Torx bit, I want to go ahead, loosen, and remove this post. Slide the shims off, or in our case, unthread them. Set those down. I'm going to go ahead and remove our spacer or shim here. Ours does have a crack in it here. Most of the time these are broken off and it's just metal here and the tailgate is rattling. I'm going to go ahead and take your new shim here, slide that over. Install your washers. Now when we install this here, we have a clean spot here. So what we're going to do is simply get this started in, thread that in, and then once we get ready to tightening that up, we're simply going to line up our washers with that clean spot there. And tighten this down. And you want that to be snug. Make sure that clip or spacer rolls. Go ahead and repeat for the passenger side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.